One Rosie night chat. Boss not shy, man. Oh, and some gunman for shy. Just stop it, man.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We are blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and as you can see, on the screen, Rosealee and her baby daddy just keeps on getting embarrassed out here on social media. By the one, they have a particular interest in people putting out a comment section where you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm ashamed for Rosealee and we are root for Rosealee. You know what I mean? Also in this video, we're going to hear from you know who, bro. Yes, Jakes, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, Chev is really making him and his family look like what? You know what? Some muckers putting out the comment section waiting about that. No, but we have to stick to this Akeem and Rose situation because I don't know if she love embarrassment, you know. But how can you not be invited to somebody's birthday? And all of a sudden they want to take you out on honeymoon, you feel me? And don't want to do the husband thing like take beef tails out of your mouth. People putting at the comment section if your loved one was offering you some beef tails, you know, ox tails out of their mouth, would you not wipe down the bone? You see my answer? As you see, when he fed her, it was all good. You know what I mean? Ah, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And he doesn't even want to, you know what? After him say, you know what? When you know, oh, buck up on that. You see my answer, my people?
If you ever rank with my bumbo clotting again, a slaughteration.
As to my name, I want to get him the Lulu, and I tell me say me's not that girl, me know me's that blood clot girl. But pick name of a ship, any blood clot, they become a have my blood clot name. One Rosealee across. Chat on the car, begging or something. Name of a ship any day. We ever go play with my clips? I scored tonight. Come here, come here, hold it. Phone marriage am I one? A phone marriage. Phone marriage. Me no want have no blood clot, she bite me. A phone marriage, not mine. A phone marriage, I go mash up on my one. I'm married to my old and my throat back. And the fool look kind of me I fling for my two people them that I'm married to. I look one plan for my phone. The Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi. Me I look one plan for my phone. It's like coming on my pussy. Somebody came by 128-day plan. Shema kill me. I want the blood clot this. Them say Shema kill me. What Shema keep me in a broke? In a broke hungry. Shema give me a luxury hotel. Can add a room service. I'm a walk.
Don't touch it if you're bad. Yo, don't touch me. Yo, don't. Let go from me now. So you now move?
No.
Sorry. Sorry.
Me now move.
Watch out.
Me need my phone.
Watch out.
Me need my phone.
Watch out.
Me need my phone.
Yo, I want to look a girl.
Excuse me.
I'm going to look a girl.
Thanks.
Yeah, nah.
Thank you.
Let's go.
I'm going to push my phone on the phone.
Come on. I'm not tell her to stop ramp with me. I'm not tell her to stop ramp.
Mama phone there.
Come hold this boy. Hold your phone.
Alex. Let him say man no want me.
Lord and dead again. Honeymoon, my girl, go get ready.
For
A honeymoon.
what kind of honeymoon? It's a part of me. But on the blood clot, man. Right, see? My heart's like dog. What kind of force? Name over shape. Name over shape. Let me have my name. Remember name over shape. Remember have my name. Remember none of the guy them can't get to me because remember me have name. How we call all shots.
Pepper, we in that shit. Oh, you say I can
Me
tell
prefer
them.
have name more than shape.
Yeah.
More have name.
D, man, know me not like that filter there.
That's enough. That's your problem. Me a kiss.
That's my baby. And know them dead again.
It's for blood clot. You're too much.
Yeah, go on a while ago. I'ma tell you, son, I turn on my live. She want go on shy panic. But when Jay turn on her them live, she ready for create this whole scene. So me I say, oh, yo, what's up with them?
Him shy. More than gives me my mouth. Time them on the same scan me. Yeah. So if him a kiss me from my mouth, him not want me and the argument done. You tired pussy desk, you make her cock.
I love you, them things you run with it.
You don't want me for true. What's that kiss on the mouth? Touch ups. You don't want me. So me can't take that. Can't take say you don't want me. You say me want me? Natasha, you say me want me? Me alone delusional.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. I know you know why people is saying that, you know, in fish out. You see what I'm saying? You know, and B-boy on the top now. Watching them hard body. You feel what I mean? Yes, people. Akeem boyfriends know he's back on the ups. You see what I'm saying? And you know, he's very jealous of, you know, who right now, Rosealee. So we're gonna see some exposing in a little bit, you know, him and him crew ready for expose Akeem and figure it out. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. No, I'm just say a video of Jake's brother just do with him so-called auntie. I'm not gonna lie, my people. Me no want to say certain things, so I have to read between the lines. I don't think Jake's and them brother, you know, them can deal with the place like other people. They're not as fast as other runners on the track, if you know what I mean. Because right now, Chev is running circles around them, you know. And this is why I'm saying should I never jump on the apps, interacting with him baby mom's apps. You feel me? Because they don't have his best interest at hand. This is what I say. And I'm new to this game, you feel me? So let's hear what I say, because you know I'm have to try to defend fame name and things.
Because me I say it to her privately and she not get it to her thick head. That's why my company up and I say it. Why you get up and I fast with the people them? Nobody even know her no. Chevy no know her. Him no know her neither. Him no know her neither.
I mean, all of us are nothing without God. Sometimes
No, Miles, it's like you not hear, it's like you not really get the point of me I say, you know. My woman are having a problem.
You see it in Matthew chapter 23, verse 12. Whosoever shall exalt himself shall be abased. And
Me and her talk when GX and Chev good.
so this way.
When me and everybody good.
Share this song with me.
You understand? Alright, let me hear my auntie say.
Hey, Max, morning. Alright, listen to what I'm saying, right? Some women are just insecure, right?
Yeah.
For whatever reason, they're just insecure. So if she's telling you she don't want you really talk to her for whatever her reason is, that's just how some women are, right?
Yeah.
But Chev has proven to be somebody who cannot be trusted. You understand what I'm saying to you? And I'm surprised you even add her in your box. Because you and Jake's are friends. And this lady
But
everything in
what
her
you know?
power.
Me never want other, you
No.
know.
Forget about everything else with your girl, right?
Yeah.
Chev is not here to make anything easier for you or your friend. Because within the
Yeah.
midst of everything that's happening, them a call him a scammer and him friend them. So that include you. Why you have this bitch in your box?
Okay, auntie. No, me I understand what you say no, auntie. Because really and truly, me never really understand the point a while ago. Because you see true, my girl, come on, you get my point of view why me other no. You see me? My girl goes to now boom. From day before yesterday. You see it? She call my phone and I tell me say, yo, I don't like this, and I don't like that, I don't like this, and I don't like that. You see my auntie?
Yeah.
So me look upon her now and say, alright. You know, say I don't like this way you do too, and I look upon you and tell you and you still do it. You see me?
Yeah, but if I'm saying that a man and woman argument. That a man and woman argument. Yeah.
You know,
All right.
auntie, you can't hear me I say. A man and woman argument between me and her. Right? Why you get up, gone on the people and page, gone repost video, I watch it and I come back and I come tell me why you do that?
All right, let me ask you a question, right? Because she had to tell you why she don't like Chev,
Yeah.
right? It can't be because she think you and Chev have something. Because Chev obviously was with Jakes, right? At the time, you said that it was when everything was good with Chev and Jakes, right? So obviously it's not because she thought that Chev will look you or you'll look Chev, right? It had to do with something with Chev character, right? Has to be. So what I'm saying is, right? Regardless of anything, if you want to have a falling out, I'm just gonna say this, right? You want
Yeah.
your woman there, you are a man. You're a man. You understand what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
And if you're any woman have a falling out, you don't come on the internet and expose our name and pictures. You understand? Because who will trust you in the future? You deal with them if every time you and them have a falling out, you're gonna come out here and just expose them. That's not
Me
right,
if you
honey.
walk,
It's not.
if you walk past it. If you walk past it, yeah. See it, mommy.
It's not
Alright.
right. You know what I mean? It's
Auntie.
not right.
Alright, auntie. So basically,
And leave that girl alone because she's trouble. She is trouble. She's manipulative. I'm not talking about your girlfriend and that because you and her, if it's going to work it out, then they're going to work it out. You understand? But there has to be a reason why she don't like Chev. There has to be a reason. It can't be because she think you like Chev. Because she knows Chev, they were different.
No, what is no? That's why when greetings to everybody will just come in. Yeah man, what you know, I might be wrong for that, you know, auntie. And you know me always go own up back for my wrong them. You understand? But when me wrong Shifa, I have to go up on the people in live and I comment fuckery in the people in live and she not hear say for stop.
King,
Yeah.
Alright. Hear me out, right? We understand what you're trying to say, but what Auntie trying to say is that Chevy bringing on tricks on the media, right? So what she's trying to say is better you tell Jakes about the situation with you and the girl instead of going to Chevy because Chevy is Jake's enemy right now. You understand? And Jakes is a friend, so it's better you and Jakes talk about it. So if you see the girl commenting on Chevy life, well, you speak to him about it, but don't add Chevy because remember Chevy and Jakes is enemies to us on the media. So when we see you add Chevy now, it kind of puzzling. So that our auntie trying to tell you don't add Chevy because Chevy is mix up. But
So
we understand what you saying about the girl.
Exactly.
Remember, Jakes is your friend and not Chevy.
Exactly. And that's who you grew up with. That's who used to look out for you. You understand? And when push comes to shove, at the end of the day, he's your friend. You know. And she's trying to paint everybody. It's not just him getting painted as the scammer. It's all of you surrounding him. Them I talk about uncle, brother, everybody that try scam. And this narrative is coming
Yeah.
from her. So that's all I am saying.
Yeah, so you
wait
don't
there.
need to explain anything to Chevy. Your
Wait there.
loyalty lies with Jakes alone, not Chevy.
Wait there. So may I ask you a question? So so if she say alright, so that means that if this a girl that continuously doing the same thing and continuously over, me to make it be known to him is who then?
Yeah, it's better you tell him than to tell her because look to why she asking you what is the girl
Alright.
name. If you did tell she
Alright.
the girl name, then should have bring she down more
Alright.
than what Jake
Exactly.
could have do.
Alright.
And Jake's not gonna do that, because Jake's don't start
Yeah, Jake
drama.
couldn't do that. You
You
and Jake
understand?
will talk about it
Look at
man
how
to man,
Jake's
but
handle
Chevy
things.
will
Jake's
bring
is
she on
very
the
humble.
media.
Him don't let people dry him out easily.
Auntie, but you know why me crash out still? Cause me crash out silently before
No,
me
me
crash
know why
out.
you crash out, you know, I understand all of that, but just I say,
Auntie,
leave
remember you
that
know
girl,
me, you
and
know.
that's my whole point.
Auntie, remember you know me like your hand back, you know. Remember you know me, you know, auntie. You know, say me go to the depths. Be sure somebody say them not to do that, you know. You know that, you know. Me go to the depths, down to the depths. Be sure somebody say, don't do that, you know. You know that, auntie.
I
So
know,
by,
but I'm
so
just
by,
saying, sometimes you have to use restraint.
yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying to you? You have to just pause and take a breath and evaluate the situation and say, this is for me or it's not for me. And you move accordingly. You understand what I'm saying to you? You have to center yourself so people can't rattle you.
I
You
understand.
understand? And what's going on right now, a lot of things are happening right now where people are second guessing the whole. I mean, and we saw what happened, the kids were taken, right? We see the houses being built. They might try and say a scam, and there's a take money for do whatever, like it's not happening. And this is coming from the same person you just had in your box.
For
You
real.
understand?
Yeah.
They might try to say,
Wait there, so
fake
wait,
all along. There's no hardware
there.
account. There's no this. There's no. Come
So
on. No, don't have that around you there.
wait no man. So yeah, tell wait there. Cause all that's what I'm saying. Nobody not really come to me, come tell me nothing, you know, unless me ask or try find out, you know, nobody,
I'll call you off the live and I'll talk to you. I
cause
won't talk to you here about it.
big man thing at this really kind of hurt me head more while. I see certain things I'm supposed to know, nobody not telling me. No, me hate it, me hate like literally hate it. Everybody just want left me in the dark just so. Me hate it. Cause half of the time them, when me supposed to dep on the media, supposed to see certain thing, me not dep on the media supposed to see auntie. Yeah, you understand? Cause me a try fix one big negative narrative for hours, back of hours. Me I tell you, like some bad 8-9 hours worth of chatting. She don't even know auntie.
Yeah, I'll call you off the air. You understand? You know, I'll call you off the air today and I'll talk to you.
But
You know?
but me I say some things when me supposed to know, me nah know. You
Well, the thing
understand?
is, right? Everything is on your FYP. Everything is out there.
But
If you,
auntie,
because you're on
auntie,
live every
everything
day,
me
you're
I
on the
see.
internet every day. You must be able
Auntie,
to see what is happening.
auntie, you still not hear me I say, and everything me I go catch in just the right in point in
Gotcha.
time.
All right. So somebody said, "Mega call you. Mega call you. Come have your phone number. Mega call you and mega talk to you off the air."
Simple can nobody not call me, bro, and I say, true, you know, say this a go on, true, you know, say that a go on. Nobody not call me and tell me no.
Me call you. Don't worry.
You see, because me de-invest myself off of the media. Like literally, me de-invest myself. Me stop invest myself to it. You see me?
I understand. Yeah.
Yeah, me de-invest myself. You see me?
I understand. Yeah.
Because me literally say, I know really everything, what me see on the media real. And everything when me see people talk, I saw it go. Because me dey expect say me da come on TikTok and get some like some real genuine people where would have certain people back on them thing there. You see me? When a some different thing, you see me? Some different motive are go on and them thing there. You understand? And it can turn negative in a point where all people and people where deal can stop deal too.
Yeah, one bagger, no one. Anyway, people, if you want to continue with more mix up, swing by my next channel you see in front of you. How we just dropped some ish earlier today with Ivany and Shay. You know them now play. You see, my I say, when I go long, I thought no longer run, yes, so you sight. Bless.